How to apply for Walmart credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for Walmart credit card online. Walmart is one of the largest retail corporations in the world, known for its vast network of hypermarkets, discount department stores, and grocery stores. Now to apply for Walmart credit card, first of all, you need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, here you need to type apply Walmart credit card. Once I've entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be presented with the search results. Here you will be able to see this apply for Walmart reward credit card. Click on this link and now you will be taken to the official website of Walmart reward credit card. Here you need to scroll down and at the bottom you will find accept and continue button. Click on this accept and continue and now you will be presented with this interface. Here you need to enter your email address. Click on the box and enter the email address. After you enter the email address, click on this continue button below. And now here it asks you how would you like to apply, whether you want to use digital ID verification or by entering personal details manually. If you choose the first option, you will need to submit the copy of your ID via your mobile device. And if you select this entering personal details, you will need to manually enter your personal details. Once you have selected one of these options, click on this agree and continue button below. And now here enter your first name and your last name. After that, click on continue and enter your date of birth. Select your day, month and year. Once you have done that, click on continue again and here enter your home address. Once you have entered the address along with the street, city, postal code and province, click on this continue button below. Now you will be taken to new page. Here you will need to verify your ID digitally. So click on this continue to digital ID verification and then here you will need to follow the prompts. You need to verify your identity using any one of these documents and then once successfully verified, your application will be submitted to Walmart. And after that, Walmart will review your application and once approved, you will get a confirmation message on the email address you have provided. So by following the steps, you should be able to apply for Walmart credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.